Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn a programming language effectively. First, select a single language that genuinely excites you, perhaps Python or JavaScript. Next, set up your development environment, which might involve installing an interpreter or a code editor. Then, dive into the absolute basics. Understand variables, data types like strings and numbers, and simple operations. This foundational knowledge is crucial for building any program, no matter how small or complex it becomes. Once you grasp the basics, consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to writing code. Start with small exercises, like creating a simple calculator or a text-based game. These mini projects solidify your understanding and build confidence. When errors occur, embrace debugging. It is one of the most effective ways to learn problem solving. Remember, every line of code you write brings you closer to mastery. Don't feel like you need to learn everything alone. Leverage the vast array of online resources, from interactive tutorials to official language documentation. When you encounter challenges, turn to coding communities like forums or Discord servers. They offer invaluable support and different perspectives. Additionally, reading code written by others is an excellent way to discover new techniques and best practices, accelerating your learning curve significantly. To truly master a programming language, consistency is paramount. Aim for a regular schedule, even if it's just 20 minutes each day. As your confidence grows, gradually explore more complex topics like object-oriented programming or web frameworks. Finally, start building a portfolio of your completed projects. This collection not only demonstrates your abilities to potential employers, but also serves as a tangible record of your incredible learning journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.